In the Nile lives a crocodile. It is telling lies, doesn't listen to God's advice. The Nile is mine, I made it. It shouts and speaks of Egypt. But God sends a hook to the big mouth of the crocodile. It should not boast and shout that his is the whole Nile. God is the Lord, He has made the world. He sends His word to praise His work. The crocodile lives in